Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I was blessed with two 72-hour survival kits from 4Patriots. So I will be putting one of these in my bug out bag, and one of them will go into my storage area. So that way if I ever have to use the bug out bag, I have another pack to replace what I have used. But if eventually it will just be used if it comes near the time that it needs to be used up. But yeah, I got 270-hour survival food kits. I don't really... It doesn't say on the package anywhere what it has in it for the packages, so I will find out from their website and put it in the description below. But yeah, it's supposed it's got breakfast, lunch, and dinner in there. So I'm assuming the breakfast is an oatmeal. I think there's some like rice dish in there. If they had a resealable top, like a zip seal, that would be really cool, because then you could check out what's in there. But yeah, that's what I got, and this is what I'm gonna do with it. That way I know that I have all 3 meals in one thing to go into my bug out bag. So alright, everybody, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.